Did you know that certain dog breeds can make it difficult to buy home insurance? If not, there's probably other facts you don't know about insurance too. Today we're explaining the basics. For starters, what is insurance? Insurance protects important things in life like your family and your home. When disaster strikes, it protects you from a large financial loss. The first step in purchasing insurance is getting a quote from an insurance agent. But what is a quote? A quote is an estimate of what you will pay to protect a valuable asset. Quotes will vary based on a number of factors. For example, if you live near the water, your homeowner's insurance quote might be higher. If you accept the quote the insurance agent offers, you will start to pay a premium. But do you know what a premium is? Your premium is the amount of money you pay for your policy throughout the year. So what is a policy? A policy is a written contract between you and your insurance carrier identifying the details of your coverage, how much it costs, and the deductible you will pay in the event of an accident. Wondering what a deductible is? A deductible is the amount of money you pay out of pocket before your insurance policy takes effect. For example, if you get into a car accident that results in $1,000 of damage and your deductible is $200, depending on your coverage, your policy will pay the remaining $800. You will need auto insurance in this case, but what else do you need insurance for? It's simple. In most states, you're required to insure your vehicle, and most banks won't approve a mortgage loan without a homeowner's policy. But what if you rent a property instead of own it? Renter's insurance will cover your personal belongings in the event of a loss. Pet insurance covers your furry friend in case of an accident or illness. Travel insurance covers trip cancellation, baggage loss, and more. Legal insurance covers traffic ticket violations, will creation, and more. Life insurance can help your family be financially secure in case something happens to you. So where do you go from here? If you're shopping for insurance, MassDrive makes it easy by providing quotes from many nationally recognized carriers. They will work with you to find the best coverage for your needs. Happy Insurance Awareness Day.